Hey guys, welcome to another episode. By the way, it's probably my birthday by the time you're seeing this, so yep, happy birthday to me. Today I have a really quick solution in Excel to help you out when you're trying to figure out an amount or a number. Usually when I get a comment asking me on how to solve this, I tend to disregard those or just point the person in some general direction, because usually those requests are really vague, or people ask me to do a whole lot of work for them for free, which is I just don't have the time to do that. But I got a comment on my churn rate analysis video that actually made sense to take a look at, because it's quite simple to solve as long as you know about the goal seek functionality in Excel. And that's what I want to show you today. So I got this comment. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name. Let's say Reddy. That's the one that I can pronounce. Said that my video is great, helped him, but he has a question. And at first I looked at it and I was kind of like, glad it was helpful. If he follows the same logic in reverse, it should work. Most of the people give up at this stage, but Reddy went on and he actually explained his problem. And I read it a couple of times and I realized that it's actually really easy to solve as long as you know about this functionality. Basically, they have a churn rate initially of 17%, that's dropping down by 5% each month. And they're trying to get to 1 million in a year, and trying to figure out if the magazine costs €3 or $3, how many new clients they need each month to get to this million. It sounds hard at first when you read it, but as soon as we open Excel, you're gonna see that it's much easier than it sounds. And so thank you, Reddy, for the good question. And if you have any meaningful questions, drop them in the comments below. And those that don't require a lot of work, I'll try to reply to if I know the answer, of course. But and by the way, guys, if you're enjoying the videos, thumbs up will be awesome, and a sub to the channel will be amazing. And you can even consider it a birthday gift for me today. Okay, let's go ahead, open Excel and dive straight in. So I have a sheet preset here, and let's go ahead and start filling it out. So what we know from our problem is that we're starting with a 17% churn rate. And this is the percentage of customers from January that will be transferred into February. And we also have an estimated optimization in the churn rate of about 5% each month starting from February. So this here will be our churn rate in January multiplied by 1 minus our optimization. Okay, let's keep the same optimization, Control R to copy to the side, and let's copy this to the side as well. So we have our churn rate, and we're pretty certain about that, but what we want to find out is the average new customers that we need each month in order to get to a 1 million target annual revenue. So let's just type in some number here. So let's say we need 1,000. Then the number of active customers in the first month will be 1,000. And in each next month is going to be this new 1,000 that we're going to grab, fix it with F4, plus the accumulated previous month multiplied by 1 minus the churn rate. And actually here we have to think about if it's this churn rate or this churn rate. And it should be this one from January, because we're looking at those in January and we're trying to figure out how many of them will move to next month. Okay, that's it. Let's copy this to the side and hopefully our formula worked correctly. Okay, so if we have 1,000 customers, we lose 17%, we end up with 830, and we add a new 1,000. And we go so on. So here we lose 16.2% of those, and we add another 1,000. Let's just make sure that our formula works correctly. So I'm gonna grab that, multiplied by that, 295. Okay, and this minus 295 is 1534, adding another 1,000, and we get to 2,534. Okay, so our formula seems to be working correctly. We also know the unit price, it's $3 or €3. And this is going to be fixed all throughout the year, so just do it like that. And then our revenue is our number of active customers in the specific month multiplied by our unit price. Copy that to the side, and then let's have a sum of the total revenue. And we can see that if we add 1,000 customers per month, we get about 150K. Okay, let's try with 10,000. Okay, we're about 1.5 million, so maybe 8,000. Doing this, we can match it at some point, or at least get pretty close, but there's a really useful tool in Excel. If you go to the Data tab, What If Analysis, Goal Seek. So what Goal Seek allows us to do is to calculate a sale based on a target for another sale. So we want to set our total revenue to be equal to value, and we cannot select this one here, we have to type it, so we want it to be 1 million, and the cell we want to change to achieve that is our average new customers per month. So what this is going to do, it's going to be changing the number here, everything here will recalculate, and it will get to a total revenue, and it's going to keep adjusting the average new customers each month in order for the total revenue to be €1 million. Let's run that, and that's it. And as easy as that, we can see that we need about 6,650 new customers each month in order to reach the 1 million mark for the year. As long as you know this functionality in Excel, GoSeek, start thinking about it while you're trying to figure out different models and different things in Excel. You're going to see that there's actually a ton of cases where you can apply it and really easy and fast get to the answer that you're looking for. So it's a really powerful tool, and my experience is that not a lot of people know about it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and maybe even punch the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Till then, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. That we can they also drop them in the